Welcome back, everybody, into the latest episode of Destination DeLeo, where we are headed to Portage Glacier. Portage Glacier is located up on the Kenai Peninsula in the Chugach National Forest, and this is our drive on the beautiful Seward Highway. Now, this normally, if it was a nice day, would have endless views, but due to the overcast and rainy conditions, we still had views. They were just a little wet, which we didn't mind. It was still a beautiful scenery all along there, and that is the route that we took, about an hour from Anchorage to the boat. So the drive is very doable. It's right along the way. We made the decision to knock out a few different excursions on our way to the port of Seward, where we're going to get on the cruise ship. But this was an excellent choice. We booked it separately on our own, and we chose the 1 hour cruise, although from stepping on the boat to stepping off the boat, probably about an hour and 45 minutes. So definitely worth it. We think we paid about $50. The kids were, I believe, $40. So definitely a friendly on the wallet excursion. It didn't really cost a lot, but what you got out of it was worth every penny. So here they're starting to take us out, and we're making our way out onto the lake, and we're going to hit up a few different spots. They take us to a beautiful waterfall. And then from there, we'll make our way over to the glacier. But just everything on the way here, the views are just absolutely gorgeous and majestic. A lot of water runoff. We were there at the end of July into August. So even though it is kind of peak summer up there in that area of Alaska, it was a little chilly. We were prepared for the elements. We have our not parkas, but our shells that are waterproof and windproof, which came in real handy. As you can see, some of the rain droplets falling down in the camera view there, but we didn't mind. We prepared for that, so we were more than happy to jump up on that top deck. I will mention they have someone there who will give you a full rundown in history and just a lot of interesting facts about Portage Glacier and that area in particular, which I really liked. I liked getting a little bit of a history lesson on where we were at and what had happened up until that point, because apparently the glacier has receded. So like I said, they get you right up next to that waterfall. They actually have a bumper on the boat that will touch the rock, and you can reach out and touch that waterfall, which is pretty amazing. So now we're heading over to Portage Glacier. Now they will get us up very close, and I don't think you could pick it up on the video here, but you can hear the glacier itself moving. You can hear creaks and cracks. The guy up on the top of the deck that's giving the narration of the tour, he described it as like thunder. You can hear the thunder as it kind of echoes through the glacier, which was pretty cool. And this was kind of the spot right here that we heard some of that. It was just really hard to pick it up on the camera, but you will hear some of that when you're this close. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see any pieces fall off, but that's okay because we definitely heard a bunch of the rumbling thunder movement of the glacier when we were in this location. So as you're soaking in these beautiful shots of Portage Glacier, I'm going to take this opportunity to say, if you're liking the video, please subscribe. It really helps us out. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're almost there. We appreciate all your support, and just hitting that button goes a long way for us. So back to the video. So we took about 10 to 15 minutes where we hung out there at the mouth of Portage Glacier, plenty of time to get any pictures and video that you needed to get, and then we turned around and headed back. So that was the tour. Like I said, worth every penny, good bang for your buck tour. Even though the weather was what it was for us, we still enjoyed it and got kind of the full Alaska experience according to a lot of the workers, the guys doing the tour. They said this was pretty typical. So you're seeing a normal day in Alaska, and that was fine by us. So that's it. That wraps up the video, wraps up this excursion to Portage Glacier. We enjoyed it very much, highly recommend it for anyone doing this adventure up into Alaska, and we will see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, comment.